Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Political blogs with conspicuous ideological alignments became an integral component of US media in the early 2000s. While some commentators lauded this development, asserting that such blogs had a welcome transparency missing from traditional news, less blank observers countered that such blogs tended to ideological extremes that exacerbated political polarization to problematic levels. So the text highlights how the development of clear ideological alignments became an integral component of US media in the early 2000s. And then there's two sides of this analyzing this development, where some people liked this development because it had clear transparency missing from traditional news, while others observed that these blogs tended to ideological extremes that made political polarization even worse. So, option choice A says sanguine. This seems to be the correct answer because sanguine means optimistic, and less optimistic observers countered that such blogs tended to ideological extremes that made the political polarization worse. So less optimistic does make sense in this context because this is a less optimistic observance. So A seems to be the correct answer. B. Recalcitrant. This is incorrect because recalcitrant means uncooperative, and in this context this makes no sense because nothing in the text suggests that these observers were uncooperative. So B can be eliminated. C. Misanthropic. This is incorrect because misanthropic means a sort of dislike for humankind, but there's no suggestion that this is characterizing these observers in the second part of the sentence, so C can also be eliminated. D. Earnest. This is incorrect because earnest means sincere, but nothing in the text suggests that these observers were less sincere than the other observers, so D can also be eliminated. And therefore, we're left with A as the correct answer.